Are you having issues with channels on your Roku? Well, channel issues are quite common for Roku devices, and fixing them can be a tedious task. Fortunately though, we know just what you need to do to get this issue fixed, so stay tuned and follow all the steps that I mentioned in this video to finally get your Roku back to its former glory. Bugs and errors are bound to crop up on your Roku over time. Once they take root in the system, especially if they originate from a particular channel, they can hinder the performance of that particular channel. Often, a simple account refresh by signing out and then signing back into the channel can get rid of such obstacles. Look for the sign out or log out option from the settings tab of your channel to do so. Once done, restart your Roku and log back into your account to refresh the account sync. But if resyncing and refreshing the channel does not work for you, try deleting the channel from your Roku and adding it back again. In doing so, you remove all the bugs and errors associated with the app package. To remove a channel from your Roku, navigate to the channel icon from the home page and press the star menu button once you have highlighted the icon. Select Remove Channel from the resulting menu and confirm your selection. Restart your device after removing the channel and then navigate to the Streaming Channels tab. Search for the removed channel and install it once again. Check if your issues persist. Now, if you're having trouble opening the channel or if you can't stream anything, it is likely to be a consequence of a bad network connection. Network instability results in slow network speeds and high latency, which can ruin the whole Roku experience for you by exhibiting long buffer intervals and outright inability to access the channel at times. Fortunately, you can check your network status directly from your Roku. All you need to do is navigate to the Networks tab from Settings and select Check Connection. If the test returns a bad report like low speeds or weak signal strength, you can be sure that your network is at fault here. You can fix this by pause cycling your router. Just unplug the router from its power supply and plug it back in after a minute. Once your router powers on, connect your Roku to the network from your router and check for the issue. You can also switch the network on your Roku to a different Wi-Fi band, as Roku devices support both the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi signals. To change the network on your Roku, open the Network tab and select Setup Connection. Choose wireless and select a different band other than the one that you've been using. Type in the password to establish the connection. Running your Roku on outdated firmware can cause a whole host of issues, and the inability to access channels on your Roku can be one such issue. Roku puts out updates regularly to address major as well as minor bugs and issues with the devices. So it's imperative that you frequently check and update your Roku to its latest available firmware version. With that said, to update your Roku, open the Settings tab and navigate to System. Select Check for Updates to run a manual check for any pending updates. Execute any pending firmware updates and wait for it to complete. Once your Roku has been successfully updated, check for the issue now. If you're still facing trouble with channels on your Roku, even after following all the steps that I've mentioned so far, then it's now time to factory reset your Roku. With a factory reset, all the system configurations and data from your Roku gets completely wiped out. And this includes all your installed channels and any persistent bugs that might have been the root cause behind the channels not working properly. To factory reset your Roku, head to the Settings tab and select System. Now, navigate to the Advanced System Settings tab and select Factory Reset. Confirm your selection by typing in the code. Once done, set up your Roku like new and install all your required channels. And with that, I believe that I've touched on everything that I wanted to talk about regarding channels not working on a Roku device. If you found this video useful, do comment your thoughts below, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for more Roku content like this.